I got right, I got heart, I don't die, I'ma fight. I go down, bet I strike, I go hard day and night, yeah.
This house, there's nothing like it on the street. The size of that thing there, see, it freaks me out, stuff like that does. I don't like it. Last week a boat, this week a roof with no harness, no hard hat, no high vis. Kind of turned into SAS New Days wins.
Weekly gang, we went into labour.
People buy into people who represent their brands. You have to have something that people can see. That picture there of me with my cap down is because I didn't like to have a photograph taken, and it was literally just something we did. It turned into a cartoon, turned into a brand. It gives a strong perception of the company, and it gives your consumers like a bit of trust. They're like, wow, I know what it is. It's really important. It's very important that your branding follows through from everything. Anna, this is yours. Congratulations. In there. That's yours. Well done. Can I just say thank you to all of you for coming. It's been amazing. You guys have been great, really interactive. One of the best groups I think we've ever had because of the way you all interacted. It would have been so much more loose lips if I didn't find out we had a 14-year-old in the audience, which is amazing. Guys, can I just say, he approached me while you lot was all out at dinner and asked me if he can come and work when he finishes school as an apprentice. So, absolutely incredible. Really, 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 I rate that massively. 14 years old and he's already thinking about his future. He's probably taking more steps than most of you. So, say again? Really? Who said no? I saw ya. You was like, nah, nah. Okay. There you go. So if you come here tomorrow at 10 o'clock in the morning and pick your iMac up, do you want to come and say thank you?
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you.
What's your name?
My name's Harvey.
Harvey, what do you want to do in property?
Probably deal sourcing.
I thought you were going to say rent to rent then.
No.
No. What made you come today? Why? What happened?
My nan was talking to me about property and that I should get into it, and it's like a good thing to do. So I came along with my nan today, and yeah.
That's amazing. Well, all of these guys in here have just given you an iMac.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Weekly gang, yesterday was a madness. My last Change Your Life seminar, giveaways galore, everyone was happy. But going from a madness yesterday to a madness today, 101 people, 102 people on the BRRR flipping training course. Wow, overwhelmed, unbelievable. 103, this is crazy. This is crazy. It's actually 103 because somebody just turned up with a partner and said, can they pay now on the day? So this is crazy. The property circle is absolutely nuts. I'm happy. Phil's done 6 weekends on the trot or something. Yes, sir. Yeah, he deserves a holiday.
Yes, yes, yes!
Maybe next year.
No, no, no!
Expensive thing in your life in 10 minutes, So you spend way more time probably picking a pair of trainers. Most people buy their house because when they've walked in, they picture themselves living there. They envision it. They're like, oh my God, I can see myself cooking at that kitchen. I can see myself sitting in that living room. I open the back doors. Oh wow, imagine a summer's day when we've got a barbecue and the garden looks like that. When I pull up on the drive and I can see my house is all lit up with render and spotlights and stuff. People buy the biggest purchase of their entire lives in 5 minutes. Some people don't even go back a second time to view it. So you've got someone's attention span for 15 minutes usually. 15 minutes to buy a 200 grand or a 100 grand asset. It's nuts when you actually think about it. So you have to make sure that you grab their attention from the second that they pull up in that car. And when you're doing certain houses, you know whether it's, if you've got values of houses like, 0 to 150, you know it's first time buyers. You know that. So first time buyers are what? Excited. Gassed. There's the word. Gassed. They are like fucking running around a house. Their head's gone. Like literally your head's gone as a first time buyer. So if you can capture their attention, you've sold the house. It's done. You've got nothing to do. When you've got like a more expensive house, like 250, 300 grand, that's more of your family, isn't it, with 2 children? So what do you need to cater for them? Space, convenience. You've just hit the nail on the head. Convenience. Weekly gang, we're back. Monday morning. I had to pay £9,000 last week because I needed the roof changed. But guess what? It's unbelievable. Take a look at that. Tom's walking around giving the layout of the house, which he doesn't know I've changed again. So he's just described everything, and I'm changing the whole thing again inside, only because. Where's your hard hat? Where's your hard hat? That thing on your head ain't gonna save you. But no, I'm changing it around, moving some bits and pieces. I've decided that when I looked at the drawings last night when I was at home, there's a better way to utilise the space down there, which I will implement today with Craig. And yeah, tomorrow, this house becomes JV2 meet-up at 2 o'clock. Everyone's coming. I think people are going to be seriously impressed with how much has actually happened here. It's incredible. So there's always Warrellow having to do something extra. He's gone outside just to get pictures on the roof in his jeans and his boots and stuff. Yeah. You're terrified to get on there, aren't you? But look at him, up there with his camera.
How nice is it up there, Tom?
He's insured. He's insured. Oh, we got another one. I don't know about this. I don't know how I feel about this. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this. Last week a boat. This week a roof with no harness, no hard hat, no high vis. It's kind of turned into SAS He Who Dares Wins. That's what I feel like. Roof looks exceptional. This house, there's nothing like it on the street. The way that we've done the 2 apexes and we put the roof behind it, incredible. That £9,000 from last week, it's going to set this house into like something that I don't even think this road is ready for what this house is going to be like. So yeah, I'm happy, I'm smiling. Great start to the week. I've just dropped the new car off to have the windows tinted, have the number plate put on. I don't know how I feel about being in this house anymore. I'll catch you guys on the other side. What's going on with this wasp nest? Are you serious? Yeah. No, are you bantering me? That thing there? Yeah. Holy shit. The size of that thing there. See, it freaks me out, stuff like that does. I don't like it. So guys, what's actually happened, so I'll just give you an example. I was going through certain things in here and our contractor, he wanted £84,000 to do extensions and like we was going to town. Decided to change my mind. These two, apparently, and what's the situation? Because I don't know the situation with the three of you. Oh wow, okay, I didn't.
Freeman Property Group is the three of us.
Freeman, I didn't know.
Freeman, but the three men.
Well, that's why I said it. Freeman. Should have called it Freeman. Yeah. So these guys, you tickled you, didn't it, Emmanuel? He tickled you, didn't it? He spotted it, what I did, he didn't. So he was like, Freeman, yeah, Freeman. But these guys are going to project manage this property.
apparently, they're making a decision on the way back. They're like all in. He's like 100% yes. These two are like, we'll have a conversation on the way home. But these guys are going to project manage it. Let's see how good they are. You guys will see it from start to finish on the weekly, which is quite cool. But that thing, I do not like. So I want to leave. Right, so, morning guys, we're in the office and...
Hola chico, ¿dónde está el paquete? La cerveza, dos cerveza, la cuenta.
Yeah. Basically, he's just said, hi guys, I'm back on holiday again in 2 weeks. But no, Duna's back. I'm very happy. I was very emotional when he walked through the door yesterday because without Duna, we're not great, to be fair.
Yeah, is that agreed?
These two make
Everyone?
the
Rich?
perfect partnership.
Agreed?
That's what it is. Not you and him. You two. You two make a perfect partnership. So, we've come in and we are now back on the road travelling around the UK once Cruise is here in a few weeks. And we are shooting videos like we used to shoot videos with other people, going around projects, getting some inspiration, understanding things, going through what we're going to be doing. And now he has his first job since he's come back. He is actually going to pick the tiles for...
the floor in the kitchens throughout the 5 houses.
What
There you
5
go.
houses?
So they're all white gloss kitchens.
Yep.
So you got to complement it with white gloss kitchens. White
Fucking
walls.
hell.
So there you go.
There's a lot of tiles there.
You pick whichever ones you feel like are the ones that you believe would look nice.
Have you seen ones that you've thought they're the ones
Nope,
already? or
I'm
nah?
leaving it with you.
I've got ones.
I'm leaving it with you.
They're shite.
Kitchen's white with wood worktops, beige carpets, wooden doors.
I feel like you could probably pause it here for a second or just do that thing that you do a few moments later.
Where was the accent from?
That's what he does.
Yeah.
I know. You say it.
A few moments. I can't do it.
Bailed halfway through. I think I've got it.
Okay, here we go.
Strong
Dun, 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 dun.
Those top ones. Probably what doesn't look like much on camera, but and I don't even have the names for them.
No, I know what they're called.
Okay, so he's picked the tiles. Duna has gone for... I've lost them, but I do know which ones they are. He's gone for them. Those ones. Okay, so that is the tiles that are going to run throughout 5.
Yeah.
5 or 6. 5 properties.
The 6 are already there. So.
Duna, well done, mate.
Thanks.
Good first choice. So if the video doesn't turn out great and the house looks shit,
Can we just add as well, Duna will be there. Duna will be there on the...
Say you got a pass, but I'm knowing life is fast. Everybody's got their path, need you to meet me where I'm at. Can't see me through these tents, I bet they asking who is that.
JV2 meet up, and we're here in the week on site. Builders are here, they've taken a break, they're having a coffee. I think every single person's jaw hit their floor when they walked in here, because the last time they came, it was still kind of a shell. Now, there's a double-storey extension up, there's a single-storey rear extension, there's a brand spanking new roof on, which is absolutely incredible. It's nice to see people smile, and it's nice for people to say, wow, how is this happening? I'd like to take all the credit for it, but obviously the build team is exceptional, and we have stages. We're on the 3rd stage payment of this as well now. There's another, sorry, so we've done 2, 3rd is in 2 weeks. But yeah, great afternoon, very happy. Tomorrow, I have to drop off a iMac to the 14-year-old boy who came to my seminar, snuck in on Saturday, and insert the photo here of him coming on stage and speaking in front of hundreds and hundreds, 350 people, and he was like, amazing. So, brand new iMac for him to start his property journey. So guys, huge announcement, Baby Hamilton is on the way.
Weekly gang. Wow. So, cut to me being here because we went into labour, as in Isabella went into labour, guys. It's been a bit of a joke on social media where I've been saying, oh, we're in labour, and everyone's like, you're in labour, Steve. Yes, we're in labour. Or, as you were watching this, it is now Saturday at 5:30, and baby Cruise 11 Hamilton is here. Mom and baby are absolutely fantastic. Because we had to be induced, we have had to stay in hospital for an extra day and a half, so we should be home tomorrow. I've literally come home, filmed this for you guys, packed some stuff. I'm heading straight back to the hospital now, and I'm tired, but Isabella's absolutely perfect, and Cruz is incredible, so I am happy. I'm over the moon. Possibly the best weekly we've ever done, and it was cut short because we was taken, well, we wasn't taken, we went into hospital, and I literally haven't left the hospital for 3 days, so she was great, absolutely incredible. Yeah, you can see, I can't stop smiling. I'm all emotional. I'm so teary, guys. It's a joke. Every single thing is making me cry. I do not understand it because that is not me whatsoever. Yeah, what a week. What an incredible week. My team behind the scenes, guys, I appreciate every single one of you because without you, I don't know what I'd do. And you guys are incredible. Thank you so much for everything you've done this week for me and Isabella and baby Cruz. And I'm going to have a couple of weeks off. I'm literally going to try and stay at home for 2 weeks so I can spend some time with my Isabella and the baby and just be around to help out and make sure everything's great. I will still be contactable for the Property Circle members. I will still be on the app. I will still be making videos. I obviously have the media room that I've talked about here built, so that will come in handy for the next 2 weeks. But I'm going to try and relax, take a step back, and just enjoy this unbelievable blessing that we've been given. And yeah, and next week, guys, you will see Cruz on the weekly. And I have something absolutely incredible that's happened because not only has Cruz been born, which is absolutely incredible, on Tuesday, this coming Tuesday, we actually complete on a property, which is Cruz's first house in his company, which is unbelievable because we've known that we're completing on this property on Tuesday for a while, and now he's here. I don't know whether I'm able to go out and actually go to the property with him. I think it's way too soon. I don't know, but he gets his first house on Tuesday, which is incredible. Guys, whoever said the 24th of February, I will literally go through the messages tonight at the hospital, and then I will pick a winner, and next week come and collect it off me, or you can just have it sent out to you, whatever you want. But I'm ending the weekly now because, as you can see, I'm rambling, I'm tired, I'm exhausted, and I need to get back to the hospital because I've been gone for over an hour now and I want to be back there. So thank you guys for tuning in. Do not miss next week's weekly because it's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be more of me at home, as in the whole week won't be me at home apart from one day where I pop out to collect some keys with Isabella and baby Cruz, if allowed. I don't know. But stick around, so much more to come. I'm going to work so much harder. And hopefully you get to see Isabella on the channel in the next coming months because it's something that we discussed once Cruz is here. She wanted to be part of the weekly. So hopefully she actually says yes and let's go. But Cruz will be making an appearance next week.